Okay, perfect. So, Tracey, thank you so much for being willing to do this short testimonial with me. You've just attended my 3-day abundance blueprint workshop. First of all, let me ask you, what was it that attracted you to the work that the play that we were going to be doing in that workshop?
Well, it was passed on to me by a good friend who I trust and who I know is very good at this kind of thing.
Yeah.
And so I basically went for it, but I believe it's because the timing was perfect for me. And that really kind of, I think, inspired me to go ahead with it, because I'm looking for changes. I know I need to make changes. And so I think that's the reason why I've come along to do it.
Great. Yeah. When the time is right, the teacher appears. That's been my experience too. And so what do you think were the best things about it? How did it help you?
It helped me to really nail down how specific I needed to be in my requests and what I needed to do in order to go forward and create the life that I want to have.
Yeah.
And I found that very helpful. Yeah.
But really focus in. Yeah. And were there any like processes and things like that we did that were really helpful for you, just in the general sense? You don't need to say what they were, but just in the general sense, were there some processes that were really helpful that we did?
You gave us some great tips and techniques, which I have found very helpful. And you confirmed to me what I've believed, a few things, which was really helpful, because it just gives that confirmation to go ahead and dream, and have your dreams made and create them. And and also the meditation. I really enjoyed the meditation. That's one of my things, is to learn to meditate. And and so you've really helped me to actually make myself do it, and find the time to do it. So that was really helpful. And of course that comes along with a load of other things that I've done before I even joined up on this meeting, so it kind of all just falls into place for everything else that I'm doing. So that was really helpful.
Oh, fantastic. And if there was somebody that was thinking about coming and doing one of my courses, but was kind of sitting on the fence, not sure if it would really help them or not, what would you say to them?
I'd say give it a go. Definitely give it a go. Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. Yeah.
Great. Well, I know
very good and thoroughly. It was lovely to meet you as well, but that's just yeah.
Well, it's been great to meet you too, and we're going to go on and have a little chat now anyway, but I just wanted to get your feedback and things on the recorded, so that other people can also follow on and learn from what you've just. Okay, I'm going to just stop the recording now, and then we're going to go to